Good morning. Today we're going to look at the different tier classifications of nozzles as designated by NASCO, the National Association for Sewer Servicing Companies. NASCO's plan at the time they brought out these tiers was to be able to identify the style and the manufacturing style rather of the nozzle, as well as letting purchasers decide what level of nozzle they required for the jobs they had to have done. Tiers run Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. Tier 1 nozzles are your basic design nozzles, such as this one here. You'll notice them quite simply by their design, flat-bottomed inside and drill orifices on the outside. These nozzles are typically rated new at 30% efficiencies, which means that 30% of the energy coming out of your jetter truck will be used to clean the pipe. 70% of that energy is wasted or lost to inefficiencies in the nozzle. Tier 1. One of the good things about this nozzle is its price. It usually runs under $200. Tier 2 nozzles are designed the same way inside, the same flat bottom design inside, but they have replaceable inserts and not the drilled inserts we had before, drill jetting we had before. So what we have here is a nozzle, because of the jetting pattern or the quality of the jets, increases the efficiency into the 55 and 60% range, which means that the nozzle, just by having a simple upgrade like this, will double the efficiency of the nozzle and give you better input from your truck. The way we measure efficiency, just to clarify that point, you notice this nozzle has a forward jet. So if I were to take this nozzle on a hose, run it up to pressure, and then measure the effect of this or the impact of this jet at a predetermined distance forward of the nozzle, we would consider that to be 100%, because the water would run straight down the hose, straight through the nozzle, and straight out to its point of impact. Because of the turbulence in Tier 1 and Tier 2 nozzles, when we turn the nozzle around and line up one of these jets with that same impact plate, then we have the measurement of how efficiently that water is turned inside the nozzle. Tier 1 nozzles, 30% efficient. Tier 2 nozzles running 55 to 60% efficient. So again, we measure that by efficiency of what is the possibility of energy coming out of the hose. When we run into a Tier 3 nozzle, such as this nozzle here, this is our KEG traction nozzle. This nozzle is a Tier 3 nozzle in the 84-85% efficiency range and gives us more return again on the investment we've made bringing that energy down the hose to the work site. So 84-85% efficiency nozzles, over 30%, 55 to 60, and then 84-85% efficiency nozzles. Tier 3 nozzles, by definition, have some means of turning the water inside. And we can see here how KEG does it. We have a bowl, the water hits the side of that disc, does the corner, and comes around. No flat edges here at all. And then we step up to our KEG torpedo nozzle. From 84-85% efficient, the KEG torpedo is rated at 97 or 98% efficiencies, which means that 97 or 98% of the energy delivered by your jetter truck becomes available for you to put to work, which means that you can either turn your truck at the same level, make your truck perform at the same level it was before, and get 3 to 4 times more power than a Tier 1, or you can turn your truck's demand down. Less water, less fuel, less energy from the truck, and still clean the pipes at an appealing rate.